Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a trophy for the world's best mom. So let's get started. To draw this sweet trophy, let's first start by drawing a straight line across. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to go across for the top of my trophy. So let's just say about that long. And then I'm going to come right here and just round it off. And same thing here, just round it off, and then we're going to draw another straight line all the way across. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the body of our trophy. So I'm going to come in a little bit, but right here, and same thing here. And let's go ahead, we're going to angle down. So I'm going to start on this side first. Just a very simple trophy. So I'm going to angle, and let's say about right here. So I'm going to find my center just to make it easier for me since I'm drawing pretty big. So let's say about right here, and I'm just going to drag this point down to about right here. This is kind of where I want the bottom of my trophy to be. And I'll just give myself a point so I can see where I'm going. And then about here, I'm just going to start to round it off and come to my point. So now we can do the same thing on this side. Just try to match the other side. And about right here, we're going to go ahead and start to bring in a curve to there. There, so now we have the body. Then let's draw the base. So let's come down. This is our center. I'm going to come to the left a little bit and then come to the right. So then from there, we're going to curve down for the neck. And same thing here. And then I'm going to widen it out and just bring it down. This is just meant to inspire you. You can draw your trophy. You can make it more complicated if you want. More levels. Just try and make mine nice and simple. Okay, there. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms on the side. So let's say about right here. And just as if you're drawing a heart. Just going to bring this down. And in. Then let's thicken it up. So I'm just going to follow whatever I drew and in. So now I'm going to drag this across just so I know approximately where to go on the other side. So from here, as if I'm drawing a heart, and in. And once again, just thicken it up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring this trophy to life. So I'm going to come into this area about here and just draw a big circle since I have enough room. And then I'm going to come across about here. Just trying my best to center these two eyes about right here. Okay, so now that they're big enough, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, and then let's come above each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's get a sweet smile. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve and then go slightly upwards and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and I'm just going to come into this area and I'm going to draw a rectangle. So about right here. So we can write some words like a little plaque. So about right there. And I'm going to round it off and then bring it down. And then round it off again. And connect. There. And then I'm going to come in the corner and draw a little circle so it looks more like a plaque. There. And then you can write whatever you like, but today I'm going to write World's Best Mom. So I need to write the word worlds and really wide. So, well, actually we don't, right? We can just, you know what, let's go ahead. So I'm going to write worlds, W. I'm going to make it nice and big, wide. R. L, D, okay. See how much more space I have? S right here. Apostrophe, and then S. Almost ran out of room, so I have a little more room in the O and the R, but that's okay. So worlds and then best mom. So right underneath it. So if you ever get in trouble, just make it thinner or wider. Best mom. So now I have more space for mom. Like I say, you can write whatever you want. World's best grandma, aunt, sister. Up to you. Friend. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and finally put in some flowers. So on the top right here, you can just fill it as high or as much as you want. But the idea is just to make it just very random. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start in the center. A big circle, and I'm just going to quickly fill the top with a bunch of flowers. And I really hope you have fun with this and that inspires you to draw this for someone you love. And then let's draw a really much bigger one about right here. So like more random in a sense that different sizes. Many different kinds, but it's all up to you. Here we go. Oh no. This one got very small. Okay, and then let's see, then maybe another one here. Maybe a different kind of petal, maybe a wider kind. There. And a smaller one maybe here. Another one here. And then another one here. Okay, and then let's see. Then we can put in some hearts going in different directions. Whatever you want. Stars, confetti, maybe a smaller. Just fill in the space, whatever you need to do. You would add more or less, it's all up to you. You can add some leaves, maybe another flower here since there's room. Here's some circles. If you need something to fill the space, maybe another flower here. And some leaves. So just take a look wherever you need to fill it in more. And there. So I'll just leave it like this. So it's nice and full right on top. And let's see. I feel like we need some more stuff down here, right? Okay, there. That is it. Hopefully that looks like it's enough, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a trophy for the world's best mom. I really hope this inspires you and that I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.